Hi, everyone. My name is Fahd Rachidy. I'm the CEO and founder of ABAKA. ABAKA has built artificial financial intelligence for the financial industry. Today, the industry needs to move into a new battlefield. So we work with our clients, which are banks, financial institutions, retirement providers, and their challenge is to move their massive business into a world and a new battlefield of hyper-personalization, one what is based on data, one that must become an ecosystem. And the challenge for such a large organization is to drive that dinosaur into a new battlefield where new incumbents are entering the markets, neobanks, Amazon, Apple, etc. So all these new entrants are putting a lot of pressure on the industry, and we help them move their business into this new world. We work with clients like HSBC, Legal & General, large contract with those organizations around helping them build digital customer experiences for retirement, for savings. Now, the challenge with that is that people are not interested in retirement. People are not engaged in savings. And in the UK, for example, in the past 10 years, the saving rate is one of the lowest, negative actually, in the OECD markets. And it's a huge socio-economic problem. So the industry is trying to get people engaged on a topic that is extremely difficult. So what we've built is really a technology using machine learning that helps create customer engagement based on a range of modules. This technology leverages the fact that people are online and produce enormous amount of data today. On average, 12,000 gigabytes per year, right? And 5 times more tomorrow. So those data are transactional data, personal data, behavioral data, emotional data. You can create a very, very specific data footprint on every single individual, every single of your customers to understand what drives their engagement in a specific topic related to saving and retirement. And that's what we call artificial financial intelligence. Our platform has a range of modular applications that our clients license. And the first one is the intelligent nudges, which is our best-selling module on the platform. So those nudges are powered by machine learning. We basically create and take the personal data and all the information from your customers and create a saving data footprint for all those customers, which basically enable us to identify what are going to be the best nudges to engage those customers and drive them, activate them, and create basically that customer acquisition and customer retention that the big institutions are lacking today. Now, it's extremely important to engage customer on that and to understand what are the insights on your customers and drive that engagement forward. The second module that we have is a content and analytics platform. So that's basically enable us to, from that information collected on those customers, create more powerful engagement and customer engagement on each single individual. The different models are conversational AI, natural language processing here built in-house, which basically enable human-like conversation and help drive that engagement, but also make it actionable. And that is today deployed with a number of clients, and it's really exciting to see the level of engagement that you can have. People need to have access and answers to any questions they may have on their retirement. It's a complex industry, and unfortunately, they can't find anyone to get that answers. So basically here, you're replacing and augmenting advisors' capability and providing that at scale to all those retail customers. So to give you an example of the number of nudges that are available on the platform, we run all those nudges across a number of clients, and that's reaching out to over 9 million participants in retirement schemes across multiple markets. So you can basically create here and have access to a range of member profile, participant profiles based on their preferences and based on their different appetite, whether it is behavioral or transactional. Then the machine basically identifies those touch points and is able to create across the life cycle of those individual and those retail customers, the specific messages that are going to engage and activate those customers. So just quickly, on the different example where this one, just quickly on the numbers that are actually very interesting here, the level of engagement that are produced by the nudges and the engagement provided by our solution with our clients. So in terms of engagement, a 5-fold increase in the level of engagement on retirement solutions, customer acquisition, customer retention, and engagement on activation of nudges. Over 35% of users receiving nudges engaging and actually activating, taking an action following those nudges. So basically that's increasing your level of engagement with your customer through distribution and a number of use cases across the clients we're working with, which are basically building digital front-end retirement solutions, employee benefit platforms, working with also telecom providers on building
and Fahd,
those solutions.
You're done. Unfortunately,
Thank
your time
you.
is out. Where do you have a stand tomorrow as well?
We have a stand just right here, B19, and so, yeah.
All right, should anyone have questions, stand B19 for the day. Thank you very much, Fahd.
Thank you.